Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to solve this linear equation, and we will start eliminating this parenthesis here, and we will put the number 1 here because there is a number 1 multiplying this parenthesis, and the negative 1 multiplied by x is negative x, then 3x negative x is the result of this multiplication, and negative 1 multiplying by negative 1 is positive 1 equal x plus 3. Now we will eliminate this number 1 here and the variable x in both sides. We will add the number negative 1 in this side and do the same on the other side and add negative x in this side and the same in this side here. Then write the equation again, organizing, and 3x minus x plus 1 minus 1 equal x minus x plus 3 minus 1. Okay, then minus 1 with positive 1 or positive 1 minus 1 we will cancel, and 3x minus x is 2x, and 2x minus x is 1x or just x equal, we can cancel both x and 3 minus 1 is 2. Our answer is 2, x equal 2. I hope you enjoy it. Subscribe and see the video recommendations that you can see on your screen now, and comment below about this video your opinion and suggestions about subjects in math you want to see here in my channel. See you later. Bye.